Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.
Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, roof rails, rear spoiler, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.